Hello students, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let us start with our lecture. You have participated in that Microsoft training. Now, please keep on participating even if you don't understand. Don't leave the training, okay? And appear for exam as well. Then we were doing voicage, correct? Active passive voice, I told you present tense completely. Okay, we were doing past indefinite tense. So suppose I say he played guitar. Sorry. Or I say, did he play guitar? Let me start with that. Did he play guitar? Because we haven't done question, na? Did he play guitar? Okay, so it is in active voice. How you will change it into passive voice? Did is verb, okay, helping verb. He is subject and play is main verb. Okay, guitar is object. Okay, so I told you when you change from active voice to passive voice, what do? Subject is made object and object is made subject. Okay, so did will change into, you can say make it like this also if you are confused, because in present tense we use ijmar, so it's past tense, so we will use was one. So what will come first? Was. Okay, W will be capital, keep it in mind. Was guitar played by him? He will change into him. Okay, and question mark will be used. Okay, in was guitar played by him. Okay, abhi suppose we use who writes a novel. Okay, this is again a question, WH question. So how you will change it into passive voice, because we have done present indefinite tense. Okay, so if you want to change this sentence, so it will be who. Who is subject here? Okay. Writes is verb. Okay. A novel is object. Okay. So it will change into By who will change into whom? Okay, that we need to know, that who changes into whom when we change from active voice to passive voice. Clear? So now suppose don't make it a sentence of question. If it is a simple sentence, then we will say a novel. Okay, novel will come first. Na? A novel is written by whom? Correct? Now, because who is in the beginning and it is a question, so it will become by whom is a novel written. Is it clear to you? How to change a sentence question from active voice to passive voice? आपको समझ आ रहा है सब लोगों को? हेलो.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Thank you for responding. Then we say, suppose I say, Ramesh was distributing sweets. Okay. It will change into sweets. Sweets is plural, so it will become were. Okay. Being, because we are first form plus ing, so were being distributed by Ramesh. Is it clear? Then we come to past perfect tense, which says she has gone to theater to watch a movie. Okay. So she is subject, has gone verb, to theater is object, one to watch a movie, another object. So it will change. Theater. Okay, theater will come first now. Has been gone to by her to watch a movie. Is it clear? So this is this was actually present perfect tense. If you use had, so it will, suppose I say they had done their homework. Okay, so it will be their homework had been done. By them. Is it clear? So it was past perfect tense. Now the way present perfect continuous tense doesn't change from active voice to passive voice, the past perfect continuous tense will also not change. Okay. Have you noted down this much? Can I erase it? Okay, so you will be writing now we come to future indefinite tense. Okay, future indefinite tense is, suppose I say I shall participate in the elocution competition. Okay. So it is in active voice, correct? So passive voice will change. The elocution competition is object. It will become subject. Okay. Will be participated in by me. Okay. So this will be passive voice. Will or shall will change into will be or shall be in passive voice. Okay. For example, if I say they will, okay, let me make it a sentence of negative instead of they will not take bath due to too cold weather. Okay. So how it will change? They is subject, will not is verb, take bath is object. So will not take is verb, bath will be object. So bath will not be taken by them due to cold weather. Is it clear? So this way, active voice and passive voice, how you will change is clear to you. And this is passive. I hope you have noted down whatever I have typed on the blackboard. Please take care of it. Okay, so this is what we have done. Now I move to next type of sentence. Okay, for example, I say they, or I say so. Okay, let me see. The boys will be repairing the mobiles. Okay, for example, take this. Mobiles means mobile phones. Okay, so how it will change? Can it be changed from active voice to passive voice? See, the mobiles, if we do it, will be, okay. Now we can't change it be being repaired. Okay, will be being repaired. So even future continuous tense doesn't change into it's wrong construction. Okay. Is it clear? So this is wrong sentence. Is it clear? Wrong construction, and that's why it will not be changed. And so this doesn't change into passive voice. This doesn't change. This means future continuous tense. Okay. Doesn't change into passive voice. Okay. Understood. Now we come to future perfect tense. Now future perfect tense is, suppose I say Ram will have sold his scooter. Okay. So the way we use has been, when in present perfect we use has, it's changing into has been, have changes into have been, past perfect had changes into had been. Similarly, will have will change into will have been. Is it clear? So his scooter will have been sold by Ram. Is it clear? Similarly, this is future perfect tense, it's active voice and it's passive voice. Now, future perfect continuous tense will also not change from active voice to passive voice. Clear? Now, future perfect continuous tense will also not change. Okay? Is it clear? Now, we come to, see, we have done simple sentence. Okay? We are not doing complex and compound sentence. It's simple sentence only which is changed into from active to passive voice. Now, when I told you types of sentences, affirmative, negative, interrogative, imperative, okay, so we have done till now assertive, negative, uh, interrogative. Now we come to imperative sentence. So imperative sentence, for example, sit down. Now this is, sit down is a sentence which is in active voice. Okay. Now it means you sit down. Okay. So it will be, you can change imperative sentence. If you don't know how to change passive voice, you can use this type of you are. Now sit, if it is please sit down, then it can be request. Okay. If sit down, it can be order as well. So you can use you are ordered to sit down. Is it clear? This way you will change into active voice, from active voice to passive voice. Is it clear? So it's passive voice. Now, if you say, please bring a glass of water. Now, from please, it's very clear that it's a request. Correct? If please and kindly are used, so you can say, you are requested to bring a glass of water. Is it clear? Now, sit down can be changed from active voice to passive voice, even as be seated. Okay? But because you don't know this type, so better it is you are ordered to sit down, you are requested to sit down. Okay? Suppose you say, let me play. Okay? Now how this it is from active voice to passive voice. So you will say, I be allowed to play. Okay, let me play is when you say you are asking permission to play. Okay, so I be allowed to play. Me jo hai, me will change into I. Is it clear? Hello students, are you getting me?
Yes, ma'am.
समझ आ रहा है आप लोगों को?
Yes, ma'am.
किसी को कुछ समझ नहीं आया है तो पूछ सकते हो. ये
Okay.
रिकैप हो रहा है एक्चुअली. अप टू 12th यू मस्ट हैव डन ऑल दीज ना. एक रिवीजन एंड रिकैप चल रहा है. Okay, so let me do further. You are abhi suppose I say do not make noise. Okay, so it will be you are ordered not to make noise. Okay, is it clear? Suppose I say do not play here. So it will be you are. If you use please, then it will become you are requested. Okay, if you don't use please, then you can use requested, ordered, both will do. Okay, you are asked, even you can use asked. You are asked not to play here. Okay, so this is one type of construction, imperative sentence, how we change. Okay, then suppose I say, shall we go to watch a movie? How it will change into passive voice? So, shall we go to watch a movie? Suppose we say we shall go to watch a movie. So, how it will be changed? Movie will be. Sorry, go to. I haven't written to, na? A movie will be. Can we make it a passive voice? Suppose I don't say, shall we go to watch a movie? Let me erase it. Because it's double verb, na? You will first let me do simple sentence. I say, shall we watch a movie? Okay. So if it is not in a question form, it will be we shall watch a movie. The movie will be watched by us. Correct? But when it is a question, it will be will a movie be watched by us? Okay. So it will be written will. So it will become will a movie be watched by us? Is it clear? And then we will put a question mark. So this is from active voice to passive voice. Now there are other types of sentences as well, which can be, suppose when will the school be closed? Okay. Now how you will change it? When can you change it? When the school will be closed? When will the school be closed? Now who closes the school? Means who locks the school, suppose. So you can add by when will the school be closed? By the PM, suppose. Okay, you have to add it when doer is not given. So you will say when the peon will When will the peon, okay, when the peon will close the school is wrong construction. When will the peon close the school? Is it clear? So sometimes in a sentence, maybe the doer is not given. See, I say a letter has been written. So it's in passive voice. But who has written the letter? It's not given. So you can add a letter has been written. If this is the sentence, so in this sentence, you can add from your side your subject. Okay, a letter has been written by Rita, suppose I say. So you will say, when you change it into passive voice, Rita has written a letter. Is it clear? Understood? So this way you will change from active voice to passive voice to active voice. Now suppose you are ordered not to make noise. This is passive sentence. So you understand that imperative sentences are changed this like this. So you will write, do not make noise. Okay. Suppose I say play here. So you say you are asked to play here. Sit here. Okay. Suppose I say sit here. So you say you are ordered to sit here. So you know that this is passive voice, so active voice will change like this. Okay. Suppose I say you are ordered to sit here. Okay. So it will become sit here. Is it clear? So if you don't practice, you will not learn. Whatever I taught, how much I taught, okay? But if you are not practicing, you can't learn. You have to practice to learn. Now, another type of construction is, it is time to open the shop. ठीक है, इसको भी हम पैसिव वॉइस में चेंज कर सकते हैं. अभी कैसे करेंगे? इट इज टाइम विल रिमेन एज इट इज. ओके, फिर हम यूज करेंगे फॉर. इट इज टाइम फॉर द शॉप. देन हम ऑब्जेक्ट को पहले लेकर आएंगे. ओके, इट इज टाइम फॉर द शॉप टू बी, and then we will use verb to be opened. Okay, so suppose we say it is time to study, time to study books, or it is time to watch TV, or it is time to play a game. जो भी है, play indoor games. Okay, so how it will be changed? It is time for a game to be played. Is it clear? It is time to return home. It is time to do yoga and meditation, suppose. So how we will change it? It is time for yoga and meditation to be done. ठीक है? Is it clear? So this way you will do. Understood how to change from active voice to passive voice? I hope it's clear to you. So I have sent practice exercise in Google Classroom, na? A grammar exercise 1 and 2. From there also you can take sentence and do the practice exercise. Okay, let me give other examples. Suppose I say, may God bless you. Okay. So how it is in active voice? Is it clear how it will change into passive voice? May you be blessed. You is object now, so it will come first. May you be blessed by God. So this is may auxiliary na. May you be blessed by model auxiliary. May you be blessed by God. Okay. Is it clear? Now suppose I say, he cannot solve this sum. All model auxiliaries will be changing. He cannot solve the sum. This is in active voice. So you will say this sum, okay, cannot will change into cannot be solved by him. Is it clear? This sum cannot be solved by him. Then suppose you say they might not defeat the enemy. Okay, so it will come, the enemy might not be defeated by them. So it will change into passive voice like this. The enemy might not be defeated by them. Is it clear? So suppose I say you is it clear to you how to do it? I hope I have given you many examples now. Similarly, questions in auxiliary, model auxiliary can also be changed like this. So could he win the match? So we will say, could the match be won by him? Could could the match be won by him? Is it clear? So this way we can change from active voice to passive voice. I hope I have done many examples. Now you can practice yourself. So I am ending the lecture now. Okay. And we will